Hi everyone, today we're going to learn on how to spot and avoid fake download buttons. By watching this video, you will be able to save time, protect your PC from installing third-party softwares, and be able to know and read link that is safe enough to download. Keep in mind that by following these steps, we are able to keep our PC away from malware software installation that will slow down our browser and internet speed connection. Let's start by clicking the Google browser. For example, I would like to install a free online browser. In the white search box, I will type my favorite free online source, which is FileHippo. From here, click the link. I'll select Google Chrome Browser App Installer for my PC. If this is your first time to download a file, you will probably ask yourself which one. For there are several buttons that you will see and think that are all the same, which is not true. These are the buttons that you are not aware of that can harm your PC. The first thing you want to look and search before pressing that green button is to avoid fake ones. As you can see, we are able to spot a couple of advertisement buttons here. And I do suggest that you avoid these buttons as much as you can. To begin with, search for the word advertisement. With the mark X on the upper corner, by pointing the mouse cursor on this download green button, you'll see the given link on the bottom. Where you will be redirected and get your software that you need to download. I do suggest look for the similar links, Google Ad Services or Google Leads g-click.net. So you will be aware that this is connected to third-party websites. Don't click and stay away from it to avoid unwanted and mislead softwares. Same with this button. If you see a button, read the link first. It's best to choose from the program from its developer rather than from a third-party site. Lastly, point your mouse cursor and read the link at the bottom. If it does say https filehippo.com download Google Chrome post download, this link is legit and will redirect you to its developer website. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button, share this to your friends, subscribe if you haven't already, and to get notified for new videos every Tuesday. Thanks for watching and see you on my next video.